Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Tune 175 BT wireless earphones. So the problem is battery backup. This is brand new. So I'm going to open this and show you. This is not even opened. This is not even used. This is a brand new quick start guide. So this is the brand new unused ear tips, unused cables, unused earphone. So still this is a stock piece. So it is not working. This is completely dead. So we have to replace the battery of these earphones. So I am going to replace the battery. This is the battery which I am going to use here. So alright, let me show you how to replace the battery of this JBL Tune 175 BT in this video. So please don't skip the video and watch completely. So I have taken the earphones out. So I am going to turn on. So this is not turning on. I am pressing the button here. So even if I put charge, it is not charging. So alright. So now, so this side where the button is not there. So this side battery is there. So just slowly by prying this, it will come out. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to use this prying tool here. Just slowly I'm going to make a space here. You can see without any marks this will come out. So that's it. It's very simple. So this is the inside look. You can see the battery is there. So this has BMS here as well, the battery management system. So alright, now slowly by lifting this battery it will come out. It might be glued here like this. Carefully, there will be cables behind this battery going towards this earphone. So this is the battery. So I am going to take out the BMS. I am going to retain the BMS, this one. So just I am going to install the two terminals of the battery. So alright, now let me take this out. Slowly by peeling it, it will come out. So if you want to see the capacity of this battery, you can see here. So you can see model is there, rechargeable lithium ion battery. So 2023, that is the reason. So it's 130 mAh. Or you can say 0.481 watt hour. Spring power is the name here. So alright, so voltage is 3.7 volt. So I'm going to use similar size battery here. You can see I have this battery. So this battery I'm going to use. This is also 3.7 volt with similar capacity. So the battery backup will be good here as well. So alright, let me take this further out. The reason why I want to retain this BMS is this has three wires here. One is plus, one is minus, and this is the third wire, blue color wire. This is for temperature. So the battery which I have here is having BMS, but this doesn't have that T option, the temperature option. So I am going to use this battery, but I am going to use the actual original BMS so that all three wires will be get connected to this BMS. All three wires will be there intact, and the plus and minus of this battery will go to this BMS directly. That's it. So you can see here. So this is the backside view of this BMS. So plus and minus two terminals of the battery goes to this BMS. So similarly I am going to take out the BMS of this because I am going to install in this BMS. So this BMS is of no use. So let me tear this down and take out the BMS from this battery. So simply by taking out this, that's it. So I have taken out the BMS. Now I am just going to install this battery in the actual system here. So this is the two terminals here. So I'm going to desolder this and install this battery, and be careful. You should not reverse the polarity of the battery installing in this BMS, otherwise this may end up with burning BMS or bad BMS. So again it will be of no use then. So make sure that you are going to connect these terminals properly. So I have installed the new battery here. This is the old battery which I have removed from this earphone. So the battery has been installed, just I have to insulate it. Let me insulate that. So you can see I have insulated the battery here properly. Now it's time to put back this battery in the housing. So let me do that. So this is the first housing here which I am going to position it. So here cable will go like this and battery will go like this. That's it. Now simply there is a clip here, just we have to press it. That's it. So earphones has been fixed. If you want, you can apply the glue here so that the bonding of these both housing will be strong. So now let's see whether this gets turned on or not. So I'm going to press this button, center button, continuously here. So you can see it has turned on. I'm still pressing continuously so that it will enter in pairing mode. So now let me check in my smart device whether this gets paired or not. If it is paired, then it is success. So now I'm going to just refresh this Bluetooth page here. So you can see JBL Tune 175BT has come here. So I'm just clicking it and let's see the battery percentage. This is new battery. You can see battery is 30. So once if we charge this, it will become 100. So this is perfectly working now. So this can be used perfectly here. So this is the basic steps to replace the battery of this JBL Tune 175BT. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.